In chapter 5, we are talking about the MetaMask and the account, and you successfully return the front end code to interact with the smart contract. And let's put some pieces together. And first, we need to use our function get zombies by owners to look up all the IDs of zombies, the current user owners. And our Solidity is expecting the owners is to be Solidity address. But how can we get the address? And we can use this to get the address. And because the user can switch the active account at any time, so we have to check it and update the UI accordingly. So for example, if the user's homepage display the zombie army, and when they change the account in MetaMask, we have to update the page to show the zombies army for the new account. So we have to set the interval. And what this does is it checks every 100 milliseconds and to see if the user account is still equal to the current account. So if this is different, and it will update the UI, and because this means the user has already updated the user account by using the MetaMask. So now we have to put to the test and declare the user account. So we go to the top and type var, and then user account. And then at the end of the start app, and then we create the set interval code here. So we can copy and paste the boilerplate of the account interval. So we copy this and paste to here. Now we have the checking at here. And then we replace the update user interface by using get zombie by owners. And then we pass the user account. And then .then. And then display the zombies. We don't have a function called display zombies yet, but we will implement it in the next chapter so we can check the answer.